I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux sauce for pasta. First, let's understand what a roux is. A roux is a fundamental thickening agent in cooking, created by cooking equal parts fat and flour together. This simple mixture forms the essential base for countless creamy sauces, including many delicious pasta sauces. Mastering this technique is key to achieving that perfect texture and richness in your dishes. To begin your roux, gather your ingredients, typically equal parts butter or oil and all-purpose flour. Start by melting about 2 tablespoons of your chosen fat in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Continue whisking constantly until a smooth, consistent paste forms. This initial step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring a silky smooth sauce later on. The cooking time of your roux determines its color and flavor, impacting your final sauce. For a white roux, cook for just 1 to 2 minutes. This is perfect for a classic bechamel sauce. A blonde roux cooked for 3 to 5 minutes will develop a nutty aroma and a slightly deeper flavor. While not typical for pasta, a dark roux cooked for 6 to 8 minutes offers a rich, intense flavor for dishes like gumbo. Once your roux reaches the desired color, it's time to add your liquid. Gradually whisk in cold milk or broth, a little at a time, to ensure a smooth, lump-free sauce. Continue whisking constantly as the sauce simmers gently over medium-low heat. It will thicken as it cooks, so keep stirring until it reaches your preferred consistency. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This technique is essential for a perfect pasta sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.